Hey y'all, it's me, Arcia, and welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title, I'm going to be showing you how I apply my eyelashes. Now, I know that you've seen plenty of videos on how to apply eyelashes, but you have not seen it from me. And as you can tell, I did not say easy eyelash application because it's not easy. And whoever said that it's easy, be lying, because I watched videos the first time putting on my lashes that said easy, and I'm very good at following directions as well. And it said, the video said easy, but the first time, it wasn't easy. So I'm letting y'all know that if you're a beginner and you're watching my video, I'm so grateful that you're watching my video. It may not apply how you want it the first time. So it kind of takes some practice, and you have to wear lashes. And the more and more you do it and apply lashes, the easier it'll get. And then one day you can make a video and lie and say how easy it is. I'm just playing. But yeah, so I'm just going to show you guys what I do to hold my lashes, to keep them on, the things that I do to make it as easy as possible to apply the lashes. Okay, so let's get into it. Okay, so I already applied the lash on my left eye off camera, and now I'm getting my right eyelash ready. So what you're going to want to do is bend the eyelash. This is what I do. I bend my lash so that way it's not just like straight like this. And then I'm trying to put one side on, and then this side is already on in the inner corner. So I'm trying to put this side on and this side pops up. So you want to bend the lash so it just goes onto your eyelid perfectly. Okay? Once you do that, your lash is going to look like this. So your lash is going to look like this, you see, instead of this. And right now, like, I do things like this because, putting on lashes isn't always easy. So we're doing everything possible to make it an easy, smooth experience. We want it to be positive. Okay? So I'm going to put the glue on, and you want the glue, and I'm using duo glue. I like to use white glue to avoid any of the mess, and I feel like the black glue leaves residue and it gets all over your eyelid, especially if you have to put the eyelash on more than once because it's not sticking the first time. It just leaves behind a lot of residue, and then it just makes you not want to put your lashes on anymore. It makes you not want to do your makeup no more. You just want to take it off, and then you don't even want to do the eyelash video anymore. So I'm going to let it sit and get tacky, so really sticky. Blow on it a little bit. We're just going to let her sit there for a second. Get her dry, get her tacky.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Alrighty. So now I'm gonna put this baby on. And I'm gonna try to get as close to my real lashes as possible. Now I know what you're thinking. Well, never mind, I don't know what you're thinking because I didn't expect it to just go on like this. So never mind. Never mind. Never mind. Okay, so she's on, right? So what I like to do, because I have crazy curly eyelashes, even though I put mascara on before, and you're going to want to do that. You're going to want to put on mascara before you put your lashes on. So now that it's on, I don't even need both of my eyes. I don't even need my eyes to make sure it's on because I know it's on. So I'm just pushing it up, fanning it to let it dry. And so now what I'm going to do is, make sure it's really on. Now I'm going to press. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. I'm going to press the lash. Oh, shit. Shoot. Press the lash on. So they're on. Now, what I like to do so my lashes aren't sticking like straight down like this, I get my eyelash curler. You know what? I'm going to give it a minute because we're not going to sabotage ourselves. I'm going to give it a minute to dry. I'm going to actually help it dry. And then I'm going to get my eyelash curler and I'm going to curl my lash. It makes it go straight up. Then y'all got you some eyelash extensions, you heard? You feel me? And these babies are on. And now they're on. So, yeah. So that's how I apply my eyelashes. Mascara, bend the lash, glue, eyelash curler. All right. Yeah, that looks good. Especially for a beauty supply store eyelashes. They went on better than some of the other lashes I use. All right. So if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. I hope that it helped you in some way, shape, or form. Thank you for watching. Make sure you comment and subscribe as well. Okay, bye.